Me I kick it with myself, look a bit. Me I kick it with myself, look a bit. Watch the energy hang around. And watch it back a man throw them never get around. Cause me I kick it with myself, look a bit.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shan, and today we'll be doing my hair again. I've been complaining about doing my hair for the longest. It's crazy, y'all know, y'all see it. So we'll be doing what we're gonna do to the ear. Whew, water is life. We'll be doing 2 buns and a twist out at the back, right? Right. So come, we're gonna get started. So we're gonna start with parting out the top like a so. Hold on, let me go get one mirror. Alright, we have the mirror. Probably I have to change location because I want to be able to see my head. My hair is already moisturized. I used the cream of nature argan. The cream of nature argan oil moisturizer. Oh, I can see what's going on. So we're gonna part out the top right here soon. Should I put it right here? Alright, I'm gonna part it out first, and then I'm gonna figure out how far more I want it. I open it and see under my arm. Okay, guys, I don't think I'll be able to get it any straighter than that, so we're just gonna work with that. Or maybe I can use this. I am using this. I'm going to put it here to see if I can part it a little better. I don't think we can find the parting. Guys, I'm in front of a window, so bear with me. Is what we're working with. It's not parts that perfect, but I think it should be fine. So I did went into the bathroom and get my hair a little bit damped. So now I'm going to use my Contour leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to spray up my hair. I wish I had elastic bands for this right here because it would have looked so much better with the elastic bands, but I don't have any, so I have to use scrunchie. But other than that, this is what we're looking like. I am gonna go ahead and let it dry. I'm gonna show y'all the inspiration that I was going for. I'm gonna put it right here. This is what I was going for. I've done this style. Look at my hair, look at the color. It looks so cute. I was thinking that I want to color my hair again, but I'm not sure. So sorry about the noise. The neighbors. But this is what we're working with. I'm gonna let it dry, and then when it dry, I'm gonna come back and unravel it. It's cute, but I think it looked better colored, but whatever. I love my hair. I'll be back when it's dried. Okay guys, so this in my head for two days because I filmed the first part of this video Tuesday, and today is Thursday. Okay, so I went on the road with it and everything. I'm gonna back here because I had things to go get done. Oh, it's flattened out. It flat out. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, and I did change it to elastic bands because I never like how it look. I never like it look with the scrunchies, so I put elastic bands. So now we're gonna take it out, but before we do that, I'm going to use some peppermint oil. I'm gonna oil my hair ring, you know, oil the end parts of my hair. This is supposed to come out good. It's supposed to come out good because it's in there. For a good look a while. Right, guys? Right, Louise? Right. I even pull it out because first and foremost, my niece tell me say the party in the 100, right? That's a one. Two, I'm showing you the inspo we made a go for and it was zigzag. So I made have to pull it out and do the zigzag. Do the zigzag parting. What else me do? Cause yeah, I think that's all me do. Me just pull it out, put the elastic band them in there and change the parting and part down here so a little bit better. Even though when I really see the parting, you know, cause it's supposed to cover it, you know? But I did still pull it out and some cause yeah, it's gonna look like it's supposed to look like this. When I see the inspo we made that go from, I'm showing it already, so yeah. Okay guys, this is what the hair looks like. Very cute, very demure. I love it. Oh, I need to do my edges. Hold on. Give me a second. These edges are from yesterday when I went on the road. I did them. So Okay. So this is what we're looking like. It's makeup on my shirt, guys. It just messed up when I was putting the shirt on and I wasn't gonna take it off. But this hairstyle is so cute. Let me show you out the back. Very cute. I'm gonna be rocking this for the next 2 days, okay? Cause why not? But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Okay. Okay. So, bye. I'm so cute. She ain't no diva. I'm not a diva. I'm not a diva. No. Hey. What? About us? No. What? I'm her. Period. Ain't no question about it. She said, what?